If you're still sharing posts to one group at a time, you've got to see this video. This is actually part 3 of a 3-part series which shows you exactly how to share your posts into as many groups as you want in one single click. So here I have a post, for example, and you see this annoying share button. When you click on it and then click on groups, usually you can only post to one group at a time, which is freaking annoying and slow. And what we're going to show you right now is a brand new function called one-click presets, which basically allows you to literally send this post to a specific set of groups. Think of it like an audience, a specific set of groups with a specific blurb that you've written already. So if you look over here, you can see my groups. Now, if I was looking for the, let's say, data entry groups I'm in, so as you can see, I could actually select them all like this, or I can show all by clicking this. But today I'm going to demonstrate this function, which is the one-click preset. So here we are. I can click use now, and what you're about to see is kind of magical. When I click use now, it's literally going to start sharing this video with all of the data entry groups I'm in. And I actually prepared this before I made this video so that I could just demonstrate it right off the bat. So as you can see, guys, sick of tedious data entry, imagine AI doing your job for you and still collecting the cash. This form filler is a total lifesaver, works on everything. So as you can see, it's going to post this to many groups all at the same time. As you can see, it's going from one group to the next, and it's acting like a human. And this multiple group share assistant Chrome extension is so good that it literally acts like a human. It doesn't need your Facebook account details. You don't need to log in with Facebook to use it. It just works off the bat. It works right on top of Facebook, and it literally does the work like a human. If I show you right now what it's going to do, it's literally going to click the groups button, select the group from the list, and then type the blurb and then share. So that's just the demonstration. Let me show you how I did this, because that's more important than for this specific tutorial how to do this. So the way you do this is quite simple. Let me show you the Chrome extension itself. Let me just go into that right now. So here we are in the Chrome extension. The way you create these automations, these one-click share, is using this star button, this lightning button here. When you click on that, you can create a new one-click share template. And when you click create new, you can call it, for example, data entry groups, for example. And then I can select a group list. Now, these group lists are created for you when you do this manually. So the only way to get a group list created is by doing it manually first. And when you first come and join and add this extension to Chrome, you're going to have to manually select the groups you want to post into to share the content you have into. And then it will say, listen, do you want to save this set of groups as a preset? And you have to click yes, and then you give it a name. So as you can see, I've got 5 different groups. So let's say I choose my marketing groups and just rename this to marketing. And then I can select a post template. Now, these post templates, you can create them as well. And for example, if I'm trying to promote this multiple group share assistant, and then I can create this template. So now I have, as you can see, there's a one here, a one multiple click share template over here, and then I can use this whenever I want. So for those of you who haven't seen part 1 and part 2, I'll link them to the end of this video. But if you want to do this, this is going to speed up your workflow. So if you're regularly posting to the same set of groups, the same kind of content, this is really going to help you. And you can always edit them. So for example, if I go to this and I just delete this, I can just create a new one and then create a new post template. Now, what is a post template? For those of you who didn't see part 1 and part 2, it's this over here. It's the text that goes over here. This is what the post template is. So for example, if I type text here like, guys, check this out, and then I can save that as a preset, and then it's called check this out. So you see, this is the post content that will appear over here. And when you share the post, so for example, if this was the post, the text over here is called the post template. Then the groups are down here. You can either select them manually or search for them. But before you search for them, make sure you click on show all groups. and then type the group, the kind of what you're looking for, or you can just select all your groups if that's what you're interested in doing. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Like, I know this might sound a bit overwhelming, but once you get used to this, by basically what you can do is type, for example, marketing, and then select all the marketing groups just like that, and then simply share to the groups that you want to, and it will basically do what we saw earlier in the video at the beginning of this video. So thank you for watching this video. This is the MGSA, the Multiple Group Share Assistant Chrome extension, which you can literally find in the Chrome store like this. You just type MGSA, and then it will find it for you. Lets you share one post to many groups in one go. You simply add it to Chrome as you would any Chrome extension, and right away you have all functionality which you can use for a couple of days completely for free to check if it makes sense for you to actually use. So you add it to Chrome, then click on the Chrome extension, and then go and start using it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye for now.